There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are.
Hey y'all, we are getting a new fridge put in. I'm excited because it's a nice, I'm looking at them out the window. The nice double door ones. I'm excited. Here we go, y'all. There's Samsung. Okay. All right, you guys, and here we have it. It's a Samsung. It's white. It's rare you see the white double doors. It's always stainless steel, but they didn't have the stainless steel, so we got the white. Freezer at the bottom. All right, let's open this up, you guys. Right, so temperatures at the top. This one's for the fridge, and this side's for the freezer, which is at the bottom. LED lighting inside. Nice. Little shelf here. Don't know what that one's gonna be for. Gotta take the tags off. The shelving. Here's for the vegetables. The little shelving on the side. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this side, there's a butter little part. Alright. So yeah, that's the inside, y'all. It fits perfect too. We're worried about it fitting in this little area. So here's the freezer down below. Okay. Here's, it's like a little deep freezer. You can pile some stuff up there. And then here's a shelving right here. What are these screws for? Figure that out. Here's an ice maker. Nice. There it is, y'all. Nice. Fits perfectly in there. Here. And the top got room and everything cool. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, so that's the new fridge. See how I look, y'all. I don't know if I said already, but I didn't just wake up, but I've been up, but I never got ready for today. I've been cooking and cleaning out the old fridge for this fridge. So this camera's showing all my blemish. Whatever. But we got it. It's in here. It's here. Y'all. It's here. That's nice. Alright. Let me put all this stuff up, y'all. Here's all the stuff. Got to go back in. Be back. Alright, you guys, so here it is, loaded up with stuff. Here's the side door. Okay. Here's the inside. Got the temperatures up here. This is for the freezer, that's for the fridge. I love the LED light inside. Makes it look so clean and crisp. Got it loaded with some water and sodas. This shelf. Got the little vegetable and fruit bins right here. Got to put the vegetables on that side. And I put some fruit on this side. The settings here. High over here for vegetables and this way for fruit. Y'all hear it dinging? It dings when the refrigerator is open too long and the temperature starts warming up. Here's the other side.
Oh, Chrissy had it. Chrissy, what are you doing?
You know, 3 men were killed last week.
Find it, I don't know. There you go.
Right, that side.
Oh, is Gracie on the phone?
No. Right, here's the freezer. Down here, like deep down there. Then you got the pull out. Yeah, I got a face mask. That's an ice maker right there, but the ice line is not. We don't have a hookup, so for now, that's there. Popsicles and ice cream. So yeah, that's that. So here is the final look. The doors, I had to take the little sticky stuff off the top. There was stickers up there. I gotta wipe that off with some special stuff. Here it is, y'all. I gotta get used to the freezer being at the bottom.
Good job.
So,
Yeah, you didn't shoot nobody.